Good morning, students. Today I teach you some other method for formation of haloalkane. These methods are exchange method. Means in this method we can change a type of haloalkane to another type of haloalkane. Generally, we can say that if any haloalkane is in the form of chloro or bromo, it converts into iodo and fluoro with the help of these method. We have two very important method. First is the Finkelstein method. This method is also called Conant-Finkelstein method, and second is the salt reaction. Finkelstein reaction and salt reaction. First we discuss about Finkelstein reaction. By this method, iodoalkane is formed. Iodoalkane is formed by chloro or bromoalkane. If we have chloro or bromoalkane, and when it is treated with NaI, sodium iodide, sodium iodide in the presence of dry acetone. Dry acetone is the CH3COCH3, CH3COCH3, a type of ketone, a type of ketone, and in IUPAC it is called as propanone. Acetone formula is CH3COCH3, a group of ketone, and IUPAC is propanone. Then it convert into iodoalkane. Means chloro and iodoalkane is converted into iodoalkane with the help of Finkelstein reaction. The reaction is shown as if we have RCl, means a chloroalkane, a chloroalkane. When it is treated with NaI, sodium iodide, in the presence of dry ether, it forms iodoalkane. Means chloroalkane is converted into iodoalkane with the help of sodium iodide. Here alkyl group R is positive charge and Cl is negative charge, and Na plus and I plus. And iodine replace the chlorine. Iodine replace the chlorine and form the Ri, iodoalkane. The example of this reaction is this is CH3CH2Cl, chloroethane, and it reacts with sodium iodide in the presence of dry acetone and forms CH3CH2I, iodoalkane. Means chloroethane is converted into iodoethane. Means chlorine is replaced by iodine. Means chloroethane is converted into iodoethane. In similarly, if we have bromoalkane, it also be react with NaI and form into iodoethane or iodoalkane. So we can see that any chloro or bromo alkane is converted into iodoalkane with the help of Conant-Finkelstein reaction. Means alkyl chloride or alkyl chloride or bromide are converted into alkyl iodide with the help of Conant-Finkelstein reaction. And the second reaction is the salt reaction. With the help of salt reaction, as similar as Finkelstein, in Finkelstein we replace the chlorine and bromine by iodine, chlorine and bromine by iodine, and in salt reaction we replace the chlorine and bromine by fluorine. So we can say that when alkyl chloride or bromide is heated with AgF or HgF2 or SbF2 etc., means a group of fluoride, it gives alkyl fluoride. Means alkyl chloride and bromide is converted into alkyl fluoride. Means chlorine and bromine is replaced by fluorides. Here the example is CH3CH2Br, means in the form of bromoethane. It react with AgF, silver fluoride, and form CH3CH2F, means fluorine replace the bromine. Fluorine replace the bromine and form the CH3CH2F, means fluoroethane, and removal of AgBr takes place. In both of above process, halogen is substituted by iodine and fluorine. In Finkelstein reaction, we replace the chlorine and bromine by iodine, and in salt reaction, we replace the chlorine and bromine by fluoride. So this reaction is the exchange reaction or substitution types reaction. Now a most important reaction, this is the Sand-Meyer reaction. This reaction is used for formation of haloarine. Haloarine means AR, and X means aromatic halide. Here we prepare the chlorobenzene. Chlorobenzene is C6H5 and Cl. C6H5 and Cl. This is most important method for formation of haloarine. This reaction can be present as when primary aromatic amine is treated with nitrous acid. Primary aromatic amine is the C6H5NH2, means aromatic with NH2. Amine is the NH2 and C6H5. Primary aromatic amine is treated with nitrous acid HNO2 or NaNO2 plus HCl in cold atmosphere. Cold atmosphere means up to 0 to 5 degrees Celsius. Formation of benzene diammonium chloride takes place. Means when amine is treated with nitrous acid, in cold atmosphere, it gives benzene diammonium chloride, and the reaction is called diassociation. What is benzene diammonium chloride? Benzene diammonium chloride is the C6H5N2 plus and Cl minus. This is the benzene diammonium chloride. And when benzene diammonium chloride is treated with Cu2, Cl2 and Cl, it gives chlorobenzene. This reaction is called the Sand-Meyer. Reaction. Means when benzene diammonium chloride is treated with Cu2, Cl2 and HCl, it gives the chlorobenzene, and reaction is called Sand-Meyer reaction. The reaction is represented. This is the C6H5NH2, means aniline, primary aromatic amine, and it reacts with NaNO2 and HCl at 0 to 5 degrees Celsius. It forms C6H5N, N triple bond N and Cl, and this first nitrogen atom is contain the positive charge. Here this is the molecular formula, and this is the structural formula of benzene diammonium. This is the molecular formula of benzene diammonium chloride, and this is the structural formula of benzene diammonium chloride. This is the benzene ring and N triple bond N and Cl minus. This is called benzene diammonium chloride, and the formation of diammonium chloride is called diassociation. And when benzene diammonium chloride is treated with Cu2, Cl2, it forms chlorobenzene. And reaction is called Sand-Meyer reaction. This is most important reaction for formation of chlorobenzene. And the mechanism of this reaction can be represented as, if we have nitrous acid HNO2, nitrous acid is the HNO2, it dissociates to form H plus and NO2 minus, nitrite ion and hydrogen ion, H plus and NO2. And the structure of NO2 ion is O double bond N and single bond O with negative charge. First step of the reaction is formation of nitrosonium ion. Formation of nitrosonium ion. This is the NO2 minus ion, N double bond O and N single bond O with negative charge. And when HX or HCl is react with this ion, each HX is dissociate and form H plus and X minus, hydrogen ion and halide ion, H plus ion and X minus ion, and oxygen give the electron to hydrogen ion and form a bond between oxygen and hydrogen and form this type of structure. This is O double bond N single bond O and single bond H. And again another molecule of HX is react. It also dissociates similarly this ion. It also react with similarly this ion, and this bond is also break down as this type and form X minus ion and H plus ion. And this hydrogen ion is also accept electron from the oxygen and form OH2, and oxygen contain here positive charge. Oxygen is an electronegative atom. Electronegative atom. But when it have a positive charge, it break the bond with nitrogen. This bond N and O, and oxygen is more electronegative than nitrogen, so oxygen form negative charge and nitrogen contain positive charge by this bond fission, and removal of H2O takes place, and oxygen remove their charge by one positive and one negative, but nitrogen contain the positive charge. And with reunison O double bond N and plus this ion is converted into in the form of O triple bond N, and oxygen contain positive charge. So these are two reuniting structure of this ion. First is this ion and second is the O double bond N with positive charge. These two ions are called the nitrosonium ion. These two ions are called the nitrosonium ion, and in the this form of the nitrosonium ion is attacked from the aniline. Second step is the formation of benzene diazonium ion. Formation of benzene diazonium ion. This is the aniline, benzene ring and NH2. This compound and this compound is same, but it is the in structural formula. The nitrogen is single bonded with hydrogen and hydrogen. This is the C6H5NH2, means it is the aniline. And aniline and the nitrogen of aniline contain a lone pair. And here nitrogen and oxygen is triple bonded, and oxygen has positive charge, means oxygen is a electron like center. It required electron. So this nitrogen donate one electron to nitrosonium ion and form a single bond between these two ions, and the structure is present as here the triple bond. So oxygen break one bond with nitrogen and form the double bond, and breaking up this bond, nitrogen contain in negative charge and oxygen contain negative charge and nitrogen contain the positive charge, and formation of this unstable compound takes place. Here nitrogen have a positive charge, so for removing its positive charge, nitrogen break the bond with hydrogen, and hydrogen form H plus ion, and nitrogen contain negative charge. and oxygen again break another bond, and oxygen form negative and nitrogen form positive charge. So a new type of bond formation takes place. This negative nitrogen and this positive nitrogen form a double bond, and oxygen have double bond, it converted into the single bond, and hydrogen is goes to oxygen and form benzene ring N, double bond, single bond O and H, and again nitrogen break this bond with hydrogen, and hydrogen contains positive charge by after this bond fission, and nitrogen contain negative charge, and this hydrogen is also goes similarly with this hydrogen to oxygen atom, and oxygen form H2O and remove in the form of water molecule, and when this hydrogen is removed, nitrogen form another bond with this nitrogen, and here these two nitrogen have triple bond N, triple bond N, and this nitrogen contain a positive charge. This molecule is called the benzene diazonium ion. Benzene diazonium. This molecule is called the benzene diazonium ion. Here nitrogen have triple bond. So structure of benzene diazonium chloride is benzene ring, and N, triple bond N. This nitrogen have positive charge, and this chlorine, means chloride atom have negative charge. This is the benzene diazonium chloride. Thank you.